Hi, hello everybody. Welcome back to our channel. The question that we are going to discuss today is striated ducts. A very important repeated questions in university exams. Begin the answer like this. The ductal system of salivary gland is associated or classified as interlobular, that leads to the excretion of the saliva, whereas inside the lobules, intralobular, it is intercalated or the striated duct. We are much concerned about the striated duct. Draw the diagram how the striated duct will look like. The striated ducts belongs to the intralobular ductal system. That means within the lobule. They help in the carrying the saliva within the lobes of salivary gland from the intercalated duct to the excretory duct. So they are transmitting. Histology, start the diagram. This basically, the striated ducts have a long columnar or a tall columnar cells. Very important. Long or tall columnar cells with a basal nucleus. The base of the cells, there are striations which houses or microvilli that houses the mitochondria, which provides the much needed energy for the function. What function? The function is resorptions of ions against the constant gradient. So they are rich in mitochondria and stained by a stain called as PTAH, phosphotactic acid hematoxylate. Modification of saliva. They are responsible for the modification of saliva by inorganic modifications. The resorption of sodium and chloride resorption, secretion of potassium and bicarbonate ions. This converts the isotonic saliva to hypotonic saliva. The organic ion modification is this intercalated ducts are responsible for secretion of epidermal growth factor and calcarein, which are a defense material. At this intercalated duct, no water is added, no changes in the water, no resorption. So that is the very significant point of the histology and the functions of saliva. This has to be better diagrammatically represented. Okay, this is the lumen. Fine. Draw the histological diagram also. Clinical significance, again, is xerostomia, dry mouth, stones in duct, blocks the salivary secretion, lack of saliva, dry mouth. All this has to be mentioned. With that, we come to the end of the discussion on the intercalated duct or striated duct. Sorry. Stay connected with this channel to learn more. Happy learning till we meet again with another question.